Hey guys, welcome back. This year Samsung's flagship S24 Ultra is rocking the toughest ever Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with anti-reflection coating. If you are using the phone outdoors or shooting indoors with studio lights like me, the anti-reflection makes a huge difference. I do not drop my phones. Every time I get a new phone, I ask myself, do I really need a screen protector? No matter how careful you are with your phone or how tough the latest Gorilla Glasses are every year, your phone will always end up with micro scratches in time if you don't use a screen protector. And that's not a good sign when you're trading your phone. So sadly, I'm sacrificing the marvelous anti-reflection. I have been using ESR screen protectors on my two iPhones and I have no complaints at all. There are two reasons why I prefer ESR. The first reason is obvious. The quality of the screen protector is top-notch. The second reason is the installation is very easy and always consistent. Let's begin the installation. Inside the box, you get a link to a tutorial which you don't need because you are watching one. Then you have tissue wipes, instruction manual, camera lens protectors which I'm not going to use. Then we have a couple of squeezies to push the bubbles away, a plastic frame to align the screen protector. Now the best part is, we have 3 screen protectors. So don't worry if you mess up the installation, you have a backup. It's nice that ESR has included this rubber surface that not only protects the back of your phone, but also doesn't let the phone slide during the installation. Let's open the tissue pack. Step 1. Use the wet wipes to clean the dust off the screen. Step 2. Wipe the screen clean with dry wipes. Step 3. Use the sticker to pluck the minute dust particles if present. Step 4. Place the frame on the phone. Step 5. Place the screen protector inside the frame and slide your finger down from the center of the screen and wait for the magic to happen. Step 6. Use a squeegee to push the bubbles away. Done. It's as simple as that. Now you can see the installation is perfect and we have successfully launched the anti-reflection feature. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.